Installation of multimedia filters in reverse osmosis systems. Multimedia filters are essential components in reverse osmosis systems, serving as a pre-treatment step to remove suspended solids, sediments, and turbidity from feed water. Proper installation is crucial for the system's efficiency and longevity. The following steps outline the installation process. 1. Site preparation. Ensure the site is level, well ventilated, and can support the weight of the filter when filled with media and water. Confirm power and water supply connections. 2. Positioning the filter. Place the filter unit on a sturdy platform or foundation. Ensure proper alignment with the RO system and other pre-treatment components. 3. Piping and connections. Connect the filter inlet and outlet to the feed water and downstream components using appropriate piping materials. Install valves for isolation and flow regulation. 4. Media loading. Carefully load the filter with layers of media such as gravel, sand, anthracite, and garnet, ensuring proper distribution and settling to avoid channeling. 5. Backwash and rinse. Perform an initial backwash to clean the media and remove fine particles, followed by a rinse cycle to ensure clarity before starting operation. 6. Integration with RO system. Connect the multimedia filter to the RO system and verify its operation in the process flow. 7. Testing and commissioning. Check for leaks, test flow rates, and ensure the pressure drop is within the acceptable range. Confirm that the treated water meets the desired quality specifications.